Good afternoon, everyone. So, nice little video on ONDO for YouTube, just looking at the technical aspect. Um, I am still obviously bullish ONDO. Um, I'm still accumulating ONDO. The way I am viewing this chart and ONDO as a whole, really, is that if we trade into extreme discount and trade towards the 62 cents level, so I'm mostly looking for around 88 cents to 80 cents. I'm going to dollar cost average. And if we trade even lower to the dealing range low, which we've got in this big dealing range here, which is just a range, then I'm going to dollar cost average some more. Okay, because here, this is just consolidation. This is just accumulation. I believe that ONDO has in fact already put in the manipulation move, which is there. Okay, that's our manipulation move, and then obviously all this right here is consolidation, i.e. accumulation. So if you look at it from a power of three model, accumulation, manipulation. Okay, we know it's manipulation because we have taken this low there. Okay, and what have we done? Wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. You can see the candle bodies close above this low. Okay, so this, in my view, is sufficient liquidity. That's, of course, sell-side liquidity. Well, to be honest, this is turtle soup, okay? And yes, we're on the weekly time frame. This is turtle soup. The reason why it's turtle soup is because, yes, we've taken the sell stops, which are here, and we have formed a buy side. Well, in fact, it's overlapping bullish fair value gaps. It's overlapping inefficiencies across several time frames. Okay, the weekly, the 3-day, the 2-day, the daily. You can see I've got a number of higher time frame levels right there. So this is ultimately, from a turtle soup model perspective, where you want to be long. Okay, and I think I've done videos on this in the past, but it might have just been for premium members in the Discord and for the WAP. This is the level that you kind of want to be long in. All right. Yes, if we trade lower, then happy days, in my opinion, because this is accumulation. What I think is accumulation and consolidation. We have put in this low, which is our current lowest low. This is actually what we call a protected swing. So, all you do is you rest your stop at a protected swing because you want to see the swing hold. And, you want to ideally trade it into a new all-time high. Okay, into a new all-time high, putting it over $2. And we know that, of course, Q4 seasonally bullish for altcoins, for crypto. We know there's ETF approvals. So there's going to be a lot of news-driven sentiment, over the next month. Okay, so yes, whilst ONDO isn't on those ETF approvals, it's that sort of concept of the rotation in crypto of capital and of money trickles down, okay, to everything, and then to meme coins and the like. So this is our protected swing. This is turtle soup. We want to, if we get any bids here below 90 cents, that's absolutely where we want to be long. We know this is the extreme discount level, i.e. this section. This is discount. This is extreme discount. So this is exactly where I want to sort of position any more longs, and this is, what my average buy now is around the 80 cents mark. I think it's slightly under 80 cents. So, I'm not sitting on great immense profits whatsoever at the moment for my average buy. That's because I've accumulated so much within this range, within extreme discount that we've got at the moment. I mentioned this before, I was buying around the 40 cents level. I was again buying around 60, 70 cents, traded it higher, traded it back lower. But this sort of consolidation phase we're in at the moment is what I'm personally just loving. Okay, I'm loving this at the moment. So yes, from a risk to reward perspective, I am trading this as if this is our protected swing, got a turtle soup entry model, stops rested just below the protected swing. If we put in a new low, we invalidate all of this. we invalidate the dealing range, we invalidate this, the overlap in higher time frame inefficiencies, we invalidate the turtle soup model, we invalidate the power of three, i.e. accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, so there's a lot of these concepts that would be invalidated that I would typically trade. So, as I said, I'm happy accumulating here. Spot positions, happy eyeing up longs on ONDO here, big swing longs. And, that's kind of everything that can be really said for now. We do have, as you can see, this is the monthly time frame, or should I say the monthly fractal, which you can see we've obviously taken the previous month low, which is there, and yes, we've taken previous month high. So, this candle is a little bit in limbo at the moment, but what you will notice is we've got this up close candle, okay, this up close candle, and we're just consolidating within this up close candle. So really, we want this up close candle to actually begin to target the high over here, which of course are these highs, okay? We want to take those highs and actually close above those highs and trade higher. And again, on the 2 week, you can see very evident turtle soup model, sufficient liquidity taken, consolidation, and monthly time frame. So you can see this is the up close candle, right? You will also notice that we are trading within still this big bullish fair value gap, which is here on a monthly time frame. Yes, which we have traded below a few times, but we're trading within still. So I have no problem with this that's forming at the moment. I really have no problem with ONDO. I am happy just accumulating as it is consolidating with an extreme premium and then trade it higher. So yeah, okay, I'm going to end it there. Nice and quick. That's ONDO. Quick little review on ONDO. Please, subscribe, like the video. I want to try and get to 300 subscribers as quick as possible. I am going to be posting more frequently on YouTube. So thank you very much.